There are many bike bag products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best bike bags from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Focal Bike Rack Bag, rating 4.5. The bicycle rack bag is made of PU leather and polyester, which is durable, water repellent and easy to clean. It even comes with rain cover that completely helps protect the trunk and the stuffs in it from dirt, sand, water, rain and snow. Dimension of 12 lira XW 6.7 x H 5.5 inch, 7 liters capacity enough to contain wallet, phones, power bank, small speaker, towels, t-shirt, food, drinks, bike locks, small tools, water bottles, sunglasses, etc. The reflective strips increase visibility at night, together with a rear belt for taillight, not included, which make you riding more safe. This trunk attaches easily to the rear e-bike rack with 2 Velcro straps, interior equipped with thin PE foam for better protecting the gears in the bag. It could collapse flat when you don't use it. Number 4. Wild Man Bike Bags, rating 4.5. The bike handlebar bag with high-sensitive transparent 0.25mm TPU film window and Velcro pads inside helps you use cell phone easily and stably while riding. Great way to see your activity while using Strava and maps on a ride. Supports one-hand GPS operation and hands-free call. Very convenient to use. Face ID supported. You can easily unlock your phone while riding. With waterproof PU material, seamless waterproof zipper, along with hard frame. This bike front frame bag is durable, shake-proof and non-deforming, as well as perfectly protecting your items in rainy days and extreme environments. The between of dual zippers which can be used for earphone or USB cable. You can listen to the music, answer the phone or recharge your phone flashlight freely while cycling. Number 3. Rockbros Front Bike Bag, rating 4.5. The bike phone bag has a high-sensitive TPU film window, which can help you use cell phone easily while riding. Great way to see your activity while using maps on a ride. The bike phone mount bag has many humanization designs. A. The hidden earphone hole allows you answer the phone or enjoy music freely while cycling. B. Reflective tapes on both sides of bike bags to keep your night ride safety. C. Dual soft rubber zipper pulls make it convenient to open and close. The bike top tube bag is made of ultralight and stylish carbon fiber material with sealed double zippers closure, which ensures the water doesn't flow into the bag. The sun visor and flashing board is great use for rainy or sunny day. Number 2. Adapter Bike Bag, rating 4.6. Full water resistant fabric. Bike frame bags are made of ultralight and stylish carbon fiber material, and the zippers adopt high-frequency seamless welding technology, effectively block rainwater from entering the bike bag quickly. That's the secret of our water-resistant bicycle frame bags. The bike storage bag has enough inside room for your phone, small tire pump, mini binoculars, cycling glasses, bicycle repair tools and accessories, dust masks, keys, wallets, etc. Solve the troubles of long outdoor riding. With 3 adjustable Velcro straps can easily fasten on the tube. It doesn't move around even if you ride on a bumpy or rocky road, and fit most mountain and commute bike. Number 1. Bicycle Seat Bag, rating 4.6. PU synthetic saddlebags high-density waterproof material and rubber water-resistant zipper are impervious to rain, protect valuables from water, dirt and dust, and ensure safe drying of items. The surface can be easily cleaned by wiping with your hands. There are 3 elastic mesh pouches inside the main pocket, which can be used to hold some valuable small items. This design can effectively prevent the internal items from falling when the waterproof zipper is opened. The product is easy to install. Just stick 2 powerful Velcro in the correct position under the seat, and then firmly fix an adjustable Velcro to the tube. The high-quality Velcro is reinforced and not easy to tear. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.